Manage partner visits in Automotive Cloud. Partner visit management in Automotive Cloud provides a scalable, agile, and flexible visit framework. Sales managers can quickly set up tasks and metrics to reuse across multiple visits. And field officers can use the Partner Visits mobile app to view their assigned visits and tasks and capture metrics. Miles O'Hara, a sales manager at Neo Motors, is responsible for tracking the performance of all auto dealerships in the Dallas region. Sukhmeet Puri is a field officer who visits multiple dealerships daily. She notes down her observations, conversations, and key performance metrics at each location. Let's follow Miles and Sukhmeet to see how they plan and perform a periodic dealership visit. Miles creates 4 generic visit task definitions. These definitions represent the type of activities officers typically perform during monthly dealership visits. Runtime tasks for each task definition are created during visits. He marks the showroom inspection and inventory assessment task definitions as mandatory. Next, Miles creates multiple assessment indicator definitions to capture the metrics for each task. The data type of an assessment indicator definition determines the type of data that's captured by the officer, such as text, number, Boolean, date time, or percentage. Miles now creates generic visit task context records that relate Salesforce records to a task. Field officers can find the relevant details while capturing the metrics. For example, Miles relates the showroom inspection task with the NeoSport F25 VXI product record. Sukhmeet can check the customer feedback for this new car model when she speaks to the showroom manager. Miles can view the list of generic visit task context records related to a task on the generic visit task context relations related list. Now it's time to link the metrics to the tasks. Miles creates multiple generic visit key performance indicator records to relate assessment indicator definitions and visit task contexts. Based on the data type of the indicator, Miles can also specify the expected value for each task metric. During the visit, officers capture the actual value for each task metric. Let's look at 2 generic visit key performance indicator records in detail. Miles relates the product upsell and cross-sell task with the interested in sales agreement renewal metric and specifies the expected value as true. Miles then relates the inventory assessment task to the what percentage of spare parts need recalls metric and specifies the expected value as 10. Next, Miles wants to create a reusable task list with related metrics and use the list across multiple visits. He creates an action plan template called Monthly Dealership Visit, adds the generic assessment task to the template, and then publishes the template. The assessment indicator definitions related to a task are automatically added to the template. Miles now creates a visit record for the Dream Dealers Dallas account. He marks the visit as high priority and adds the showroom's address. He selects Sukhmeet as the visitor and Mr. Dave Mahmood, the dealership's sales manager, as the visited party. Finally, Miles creates an action plan to apply the monthly dealership visit template to the visit. Sukhmeet is ready to visit Dream Dealers Dallas. She opens the Partner Visit app on her mobile device. On the visit that Miles assigned her, she clicks the Get Directions to navigate to the dealer's location. When she reaches the location, she starts the visit and sees a list of tasks to complete. Sukhmeet taps on each task to see more context, such as the associated metrics and their expected values. She enters the actual metric values based on her inspection and interactions with Dave. After she captures all metrics for a task, the task is automatically completed. She ends the visit after all mandatory tasks are completed. Thanks to the simplicity of the mobile app, Sukhmeet spent more time having meaningful conversations with the showroom manager and sales manager and less time on record keeping and manual audits. Back in the office, Miles sees that the visit and the associated runtime tasks are now in the completed status. He compares expected and actual values for all generic visit key performance indicator records. There are some positives and some negatives. Miles and Sukhmeet are impressed with the Visit Manage solution, which has transformed partner collaboration at Neo Motors. To learn more, check out these resources. Or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.